Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope you are fine today. Back in after a long time with our new unboxing video. Today we have something special from Temu. Temu, what is called? Temu is new uh, uh, new website. You can order some whatever you want from this new website Temu, like eBay, Amazon. So we ordered mm, blind paper for our window. So let's see what inside now. Guys, stop fighting.
Hi guys. What the?
Yes.
What's that?
Okay, I share. Very hot.
Laptop Pepsi and one eyelash.
Okay, get Ari. Get scissor please.
Okay. Well, I want to do it.
Give me please.
आशिफ छोड़ देना
See me like
Wait 1 minute please.
I can hold it. No, I can hold it. No, I don't hold it. No, Papa, I can hold it. Papa, I never hold anything in a vlog. You say yes.
Something should be inside, might be. Yes.
I'm gonna hold it.
Let me open this. Please guys wait 1 minute.
Be down. I'm hold it.
I think blind sheet inside.
I can hold it. You read it. Huh? You read it. You go to fire. I can hold it.
Yeah.
I want to hold it. Dad. I want to hold it. Oh, please, I want to hold it.
No, don't hold it please.
I never hold anything in it.
Oh yes.
Good.
Finally. Yeah.
Give me it.
Let me check what inside.
Nothing.
Yes.
Papa, can I hold
Scabber.
that? Fine, I'll hold it.
You need
This I will not.
to use this one to make it straighter
Papa!
and whatever. This is the sheet.
How can I hold the system?
We use this sheet on our window so nobody can see us from outside, but we can see whatever going outside, whatever going happening outside. We can see from inside. So this sheet is basically you can say the blank sheet.
I'm holding that. I'm holding it. Papa, I want to hold it.
There you go.
Papa, I want to hold it. No, you have to.
Can you see me?
No.
Huh?
Only a bit. Only a bit.
But I can see you guys.
Hi. Nancy. Nancy. Auntie. Auntie. Auntie.
Okay. And we have some accessories as well.
I'm holding it. I'm holding it. I don't
I
even
think
hold it.
this is the holder of this sheet.
This is mine. This is mine. Whoa. Okay, I'm on. Oh, you on. Love you. Hi.
Okay. Get it, please. Give me. Yes. Holder of this sheet. That goes here like this. And then it's gonna stick on the wall.
No, I'm holding this. No,
And this
no,
one
don't touch it.
also
It's golden.
a little bit broken.
Silver.
Don't worry.
I'm holding it.
These pads as well. I don't know what they use. And this is also one something like sticky tail.
Bye.
Hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
I love peace.
Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.
Bye.